I'll have a good auntie like Auntie Mayowa.
I've been throw up the sex in and I can put you in. I can put you in. I've been throw up the sex in
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. How you doing? This video is a travel vlog, so I'll be traveling to America today. I'm so grateful to God and I'm so privileged because I will not be traveling alone. I'll be traveling with like about 10 to 11 of my friends. So we're all going to school. So my flight is by 11:55. So in the night actually. So I have some things to actually do and I'll be taking you guys along. I want to go to the bank because I've been trying to go to the bank the past few days and you know they just did an update with their app. So I want to rectify some things in my bank app to avoid issues when I finally reach America.
Get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You so baby.
How are you? Move me some crew. Come on, you all, I actually love this night flight schedule. I love it because I have like time to for myself and not sure, but I actually love that it's the night we're going sure because if you watch that my Abuja vlog, actually that was when I even went for my visa interview when I went to Abuja. So I went by air. If you watch that vlog, you know that I have flight phobia. It's normal. So now staying on the air for like 11 hours because it's a direct flight to United. I'm using United Airline. Things are really aligning. Things are working for our good. Yes, things are working for our good, and I thank God. So now I'm already at home, and this is like past 2. I want to sleep. If I get my best, I can sleep like till 4. Like I just have a nap until 4 o'clock. Then 4 by 4, start to prepare and get ready. Sharp. I just want to thank you all.
A few moments later.
I was born ready for this, so I'm ready. In about 2 minutes time, I'll be taking the box, everything downstairs. So let me be honest with you guys. Let me be very honest. I'm actually feeling sick. Like I don't know where this headache came from. Like as if my eyes want to pop out like this. They said it's malaria or something like that, but I treated malaria last week. I don't understand. So I have messaged some of my friends. They said they're on their way to the airport already. This is like 4:30 something. So most of them, their house are actually far from the airport. One is staying in Festac, and that one is staying in where did she even say self? Anyhow, so you all, I finna head out now. Don't let them tell you can't. Just keep on pushing, no. If it's daddy me ode, my debe matu koja o. If it's mommy me ode, my debe matu koja o. Ori mi jowo, ori lana no mi o. Ori mi masun. Oh, I'll miss my room. Oh, the plant my auntie gave to me. I will miss you too. I will miss you. Gosh, my Xbox. I will so miss you. My Xbox. I don't know. The person I'm going to my pick this thing. The person has lock.
rírì rẹ̀ nítorí náà ni mo ṣe ń yọ̀. Tẹ́wọ́ gbà ìyìn Olúwa olóore. Tẹ́wọ́ gbà ìyìn Olúwa olóore. Mo mọ rírì rẹ̀ nítorí náà ni mo ṣe ń jó. Mo mọ rírì rẹ̀ nítorí náà ni mo ṣe ń yọ̀. Mo mọ rírì rẹ̀ nítorí náà ni mo ṣe ń jó. Mo mọ rírì rẹ̀ nítorí náà ni mo ṣe ń yọ̀. Tẹ́wọ́ gbà ìyìn Olúwa olóore. Tẹ́wọ́ gbà ìyìn Olúwa
Protect my energy from your bad aura. Now my pastor say I be my healer, everything I desire. I go receive my rhythm, flow like a river. If you get your back, come on, go and sit down. I go just para, come on my jigger. I go just stay, follow my dreams. I'm feeling vibes on vibes, ticking dynamite. Blow your candlelight, you know I'm just that type. No.
Boys over lucky. Yeah. You all actually thought that, okay, since it's a night flight, I'm going to like enjoy my nights and sleep well and wake up in the morning without any struggle, without any wahala. I could not sleep. I was so restless. I was like, okay, are we not there already? Okay, I'm tired. I want to stretch. I took bathroom breaks like I don't even know how many times. I was just tired already. But at the same time, the airline, they had a free Wi-Fi, so I was able to communicate with my people. After an hour or so, they served us breakfast, or should I call it dinner? I don't even know. That thing that looked like bread, actually very fluffy and very nice. Then I don't know the name, sha. They gave us something that was like tasting like fried rice, a bit jollof rice. I don't even know. And they gave us one salad, though. And tell me why they will put ata shombo inside salad, though. I don't understand, because I was like, what is this pepperish thing? I'm very local. I know. I'm pretty. Don't come for me. I was so restless. I watched like 3 to 4 shows. I think I watched Scream, I watched Pitch Perfect and Puss in Boots, and I want that one I've forgotten. Yeah, I took bathroom breaks, because I was very tired. I was very tired. And the fact that I was going beside the window was not even a good situation, because I was just checking outside. Everywhere was just pitch black. I was so tired. Got to a point, I was like, okay, let the sleep come. The sleep did not come. The sleep did not come at all. The sleep, I don't know. Voila! And yeah, we got to our destination. My people. Oh God. I so bless God. I'm very grateful to God because He has really given us the privilege and He has really blessed us, and I know that He's going to continue to stand by us and make way for us when there seems to be no way. These people don't know how privileged we are, and they know, but we are very privileged.
Remember, I always love you.
So yeah, I was already on board to my final destination. Well, when I got to the immigration, I think that's what they call them, the man asked for my I-20 and passport, and he asked for the course I was going to study. Apart from that one, nothing too much, nothing extra, and everything went smoothly.
Hey, y'all, just arrived. I'll see you guys later.
Let's take this overboard now.
I'm just very stressed. But apparently my roommate is now around and I've not seen him. And I checked in first. I love what I'm seeing, honestly. I would say I love what I'm seeing. I'm drained out though. At this point, I'm making this video. I'm so stressed out. The flight, everything. I'm so tired, but I just give God all the glory. I give Him all the glory. So you guys, bye. Thanks for watching this video. Please be kind enough to subscribe, share, all the nice things. See you in another video, in another better condition, because I feel faint like this.